Yeah, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I explain Scientific American app review. So let's quickly dive into it. The Scientific American app gives reader access to one of the most respected science magazine, covering everything from space and physics to health, environment, and technology. The app makes it easy to browse articles, separate, and stay up to date with the latest scientific discoveries in a clean, organized interface. The science enthusiasts and professionals, it's a convenient way to keep learning on the go. On the downside, most of the content is behind a subscription paywall, and some users report occasional glitches with navigation and downloads. So in conclusion, the app worth using, especially if it's what you value, or if you value a very high quality research driving science journalism and don't mind paying for a subscription, but less appealing if you're looking for a lot of free content. And that's it. Hope you find the video helpful. Turn on the notification button and subscribe for more review.